I come from a civil engineering background, and this is my first venture into e-commerce and e-commerce platforms. If you're going to sell on Amazon, you have to align with their principles and their way of thinking. And this masterclass gives you that sort of insight that allows you to tailor your approach to Amazon with a high success rate.
It's a wealth of information. It's done in a really calm, easy to understand manner, and it's been a great deal of fun to interact with other people who are either on Amazon or really keen to get on Amazon.
Hi, my name's Tanya Taylor and I run a business called Petway Pet Care. We've decided to launch on Amazon USA basically because of the pet ownership. It's a very similar percentage of household pet ownership in America that it is to Australia. It's about 65% of households, which basically equates to about 6 million homes in Australia, but 80 million homes in America. A bit of a no-brainer, really.
Raj, in running these masterclasses, has definitely come across as an expert in how to navigate, how to engage, and how to maximize the use of Amazon at your early years of formation.
I've learned a great deal, and I think he has even more to give, and I'll be pursuing Raj's knowledge in the future and looking for more information that can help me grow my business on Amazon.